Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The people that watch us from the beginning know that either it's summer or winter, we always have flowers in our garden. And along with flowers, we also grow some organic vegetables in our garden. Not only vegetables, but there are also a few fruiting plants in our garden. I hope you all know Delhi's climate. It's either extreme hot or extremely cold. And in Delhi, there is not much rain. So you can say this is a semi-deserted area. Cactus or succulent variety plants thrive in Delhi. Meanwhile, any kind of fruiting or leafy vegetables need extra care here, especially if you are growing it inside pots. So because of this, my mom does not want to ruin health of any of our plants by giving chemical fertilizers. So today I will share you all about a special kind of fertilizer. And as you know, any kind of fertilizer or manure my mom makes is always organic and is always made with waste materials, such as this is the used tea leaf. But if you drink tea with milk and sugar, there is some extra processing needed, such as 2 to 3 times thoroughly washing and then draining. After that, you can dry it and give it to the plants. But my mom is going to do something even better. She is going to turn it into a compost, which will have more micro and macronutrients for the plants. For this, you need a plastic container or an earthen pot. And make sure that that container has many holes on its surface. It helps in the aeration of this compost. And do you know the air that are passing through the holes help in producing good bacteria? My mom has many containers like this. And after filling each of the containers, she lets them rest for 3 months before using it. And here I hope you can recognize this bioenzyme. She is adding 5 ml of bioenzyme in each container. I hope you know that bioenzyme already has good bacteria. That's why it helps in fastening the process. How will the tea leaf compost look like after 3 months? This is the normal garden soil. And look, this is the tea leaf compost. Just add 50% of this tea leaf compost and 50% of garden soil and your manure is ready. You can give this manure to your plants before getting any type of fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. You can use this for preparing the soil as well, especially when you're planting any plant for the first time. But if you think this is time consuming, then I have another way for you. Simply wash some tea leaves and let it sun dry. This can be used for a nitrogen-based fertilizer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.